house. You can tell. Oh, we're rolling. Hey, look, it's almost a quarter of a sandwich. Yeah, a quarter of a sandwich. Yeah, here it is. We're giving it to the birds. And the birds, crows, sparrows, they like that bread. We'll come and get it. Just like someone's going to come and get this property across from the new church over there. Put in a huge shopping center right here on the corner. We've already cleared the trees. All I need is an option to buy it for whatever they want and get a hold of a couple of shopping center developers I know in Seattle, Portland, Vancouver, BC, and so forth, and pitch them on this project. Probably have to buy that house across the street. But over there, there's land. There's land over there. There's more land. There's a highway. There's equal access. And there's storage units right over there to store surplus goods. And there's even room for some nice, big, new apartment buildings right over there. Right across. You always got to have apartment buildings across from the shopping center because that's where the poor people shop, the renters. And not only that, guess what else is coming to town? A Dollar General store is going to compete with Aikens and drive their hardware prices down. But their food prices are sky high. We just paid $12 for 1 gallon of milk. $12 for 1 gallon of milk. So, this is Alex Escobar reporting from the center of the sun. I am your light, I am your day, and I'll just say good night.